Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add or send GIF comment on Instagram on iPhone and Android, then this video is for you. The steps are pretty simple and pretty same in both platform Apple and Android. You just need to go to your Instagram account, then find the post that you want to comment. Simply click on the comment icon, and from here just simply click on this sticker icon at the right side here, and from here you'll find your bitmoji or your avatar, and then at the right you'll find the GIF, and from here you'll find various type of GIFs. You can search for some GIFs according to your needs. For example, I'm going to search for GIFs for love, and here it is, all the GIFs that act related with love. And I'm going to again search for hate and all the GIFs related to hate. And you can also search GIFs according to the emoji for sad, for crying, and as you can see, all the GIFs are related to this emoji, are emotion that they are carrying the GIFs according to the emotion of the emoji. From here you can search by this. Now for example, if you want to add or send a GIF comment on Instagram, you just need to simply click on the GIF, and here you can see I have just add a comment with a GIF, add a GIF comment on my Instagram account, and that's how you can add GIF comment on Instagram. And you can follow the same step on your Android device. You can just need to go to the comment section and simply find out this sticker icon, and there you will find the GIF section where you can find various type of GIFs that you can use to send in the comment section and express your emotions by these GIFs. And there are some funny GIFs, some sad GIFs, or various types of GIFs that you can express your emotions with. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.